Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that this year's budget provides several opportunities for investors and people of this country to protect their future by moving towards green growth. The G20 Finance Ministers and Central Bank Governors meeting (FMCBG) will commence tomorrow in Bengaluru. A tweet by the Ministry of Finance says that Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman met US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen in Bengaluru today. In Madhya Pradesh, the first meeting of the G20 Culture Working Group was inaugurated in Khajuraho today. Chinese and Japanese officials met in Tokyo yesterday for formal security talks for the first time in 4 years in a meeting aimed at stabilizing increasingly strained relations. In women's cricket, India will face Australia in the ICC T20 World Cup semi-final at Newlands, Cape Town in South Africa today.